This is how much a faceless YouTube channel like the one we will be creating in this faceless YouTube channel with YouTube automation step-by-step video. You see, having a monetized YouTube channel is one of the sweetest smart money tactics that anyone dreaming to make money online can consider. The problem is that 99% of people who have been having the dream of either starting their own YouTube channel or making money online through YouTube monetization either don't want to show their faces in video or don't just have the equipment or the time to put into this. Relax, because I can help you. In this video, I will hold your hands and take you through the step-by-step process of starting a YouTube channel and automating your new channel to monetize with YouTube in between 1 week to 3 months. Free artificial intelligence software will do everything for us, from the very first step of thinking of the niche you should be creating a channel about, right to the scripting, the voiceover, and the whole process of making your videos 100% ready. I mean, you won't even have to think. The only job you will always have is just to click the publish video button on YouTube whenever you're ready to publish a new video. You don't believe me? Then watch every bit of this video. You see, I have always loved the idea of having a motivational YouTube channel, but don't worry, you don't have to create a motivational channel like I'm going to show you. You will be able to create your own channel on any topic right now, because our first artificial intelligence will help us suggest the best topic to create our channel about. I told you that you will not have to do anything, not even thinking, because our obedient servant AI will do everything for us, including thinking. So follow me to ChatGPT, where I will ask ChatGPT to give me 20 YouTube channel niche ideas. Okay, and then just like that, here we have. So just go ahead and pick out anyone that strike your eye the best. But we already know that we will be creating a motivational channel in this video. So now that the first step is done, I will come to a new YouTube channel using one of my existing Gmail accounts, which I earlier named my blank channel just for this demonstration. Creating a new YouTube channel is just as easy as having a Gmail account. So now I will come here to my new channel and give it a name, and then go ahead and brand my channel with a banner and logo. I will also need to write a channel description. So again, I will head back to ChatGPT and input a prompt command which says, write me 5 channel names for a YouTube channel that offers motivation. And again, here we have. So I will go through and then pick anyone that strikes me in the face. These all look good, but I think I love this one, Drive to Success. Okay, I think I prefer this. So I will copy this for my new YouTube channel name and head back to my new YouTube channel, click customize channel, basic info, and paste in my channel name here. Here, I will also need to add my channel description. So I will again head back to ChatGPT and write this prompt, write me a YouTube description for a channel called Drive to Success that offers motivation in a story format. I will go ahead and copy this description, and I will come back to my YouTube channel and paste it in here in my channel description field. Okay, ChatGPT gave me more than 1000 words. I will just cut through and reduce the text to about 700 words. Okay, this is cool. So little by little, my new YouTube channel is beginning to take shape. So if I come here to branding, you will see that I will need to add my channel logo and banner. And for this, I will head back to another AI tool called Canva. Once I'm in Canva, I will come to the search bar and search for YouTube banner. I will click this. Canva has taken me to a blank canvas. So I will come to the element tab and type in motivation. I will then click the photo tab here and I will look through for anyone that is cool for me. Okay, I think this is good, so I will click it. I'll go ahead and edit this. I will add some text showing my channel name and I will align it appropriately. Once done, I will come here to share. I will make sure it's in PNG format and I will go ahead and download. Again, still in Canva, I'll come back to this page and click create a design and search for logo. As you can see down here, I will click the YouTube channel logo. I will come here to apps. I'll click the text to image app. Here, I will go ahead and ask Canva to generate for me a logo called Drive to Success. I don't seem to like any of them, so I will regenerate this. Okay, this app seems to be giving me road pictures, so let me just change the prompt to something like success motivation and see what comes out. Okay, I'll go with this. Drag it to fill in the whole canvas. Again, I will click share. Make sure that my design is in PNG form, and then again I will go ahead and download this. So I will head back to my YouTube channel, and here I will click upload and go find the logo I just downloaded from Canva. So you see that I have my logo now. So I'll go ahead and do the same for my banner. And once that one also uploads, I will hit the publish button and then go view my channel to see what it looks like so far. Whoa! I feel like hugging myself at this point. This actually feels pretty sweet already. So you guessed the next thing to do, right? That is to generate our first faceless video. So let's get over to it. But again, we have no idea of what to make a video on. So again, I will run back to ChatGPT and again give it a prompt that says, give me 5 motivational quotes about wealth creation and who said them. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated 5 great motivational quotes for us and great men and women that said them. I've never heard about some of these quotes in my life, but who cares? They all appear amazing after all. So I'm not done with ChatGPT, because here I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to go help me develop a script for a few of them so I can create my video on them. So I will ask ChatGPT to write a 400-word script of a short story explaining number 5. Make it easy to understand but entertaining. So ChatGPT is creating a story for us which we will be using as our script for our new video. So thank you, ChatGPT. Now we have a script already, and then the next thing to do is to generate a voiceover for our story. So let's get right to it. So to do that, let's head over to Google and search for 11 Labs. Click the first result here. I will quickly sign up with this tool for free. To create our voiceover, come here to speech sentences, and then I select Adam here so my voice can come out in a male's voice. And I will also copy my script from ChatGPT and paste it in here, and then click generate. This AI tool has generated for me the audio voiceover for this script. I already listened to it and I think it's cool, so I will go ahead and download the audio here. Now I have my audio ready. And if you think that you have been seeing magic already so far, I'm about to even blow your mind the more, because now we are going to do a magic about creating our video without showing our face. So head back to your dear Canva again, and then here search for YouTube video. And it's going to show you all of these different video templates. But again, I will go for the black canvas again. The first thing I need is a background for my video. So I'll go ahead and pick out this same image I used a while ago. I will align it, and then here I will click the edit image option. I will click all and just give this background image some touches of editing. So now I have my background image ready. So the next thing here is to generate a character for my new video. I mean the motivational speaker who will be talking while the story is playing. So since ChatGPT already gave me the name of the person who made the motivational quote I used to generate my storyline earlier on, I will simply try to know the face of Hale Nightingale by searching for the name on Google search. So now that I have an idea of who this person is, I will head back to Canva and type in Hale Nightingale, and now I have an image generated for this character. I will pick this out, I will place it in here. Okay, I think the background is quite contrasting, so I will just remove the background of this image so that it can blend with the main background. To do this, I will click uploads, click the 3 dots here, and then click download. This image is now downloaded in my computer, so I will go back to Google and search for background remover. I'll click this result, upload image, and then I will upload the image I just downloaded from Canva. Once the background has been removed, I will re-download this image again. So I will head back to Canva and then upload the same image with the background now removed. I will click the image and stretch it to give me the best possible positioning. I think it makes some sense to add the name of this motivational speaker. So I will click the text box and then edit the image and drag it down here. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. So I will download this image here as a PNG file again. So the next thing I will do now is to make this guy on this image to start talking. Yeah, keep watching as you will see our motivational speaker whose image we just downloaded right now to start talking, and then he's going to be the one to share the story. So again, let's head over to Google and make a search for the leave a space ID. So that is DID. I'll pick out this result. Once again, once I'm on this page, I will just click the try it now. So it takes me to this page, and then I will go ahead and sign in with my email address. And once I'm in, I will click the create video button here. Then I will click the add option here and then upload the PNG image I just downloaded from Canva. So now that my image is added, I will go ahead and upload my audio. Here, you have an option to insert text which can be turned into audio in this AI tool. The only challenge here is that if you are using the free plan like I'm using here, then you have a character limit. So I will not use this option. Rather, I will click the add audio here and then upload the audio I generated from 11 Labs a while ago.
In the year 1843, a man was born who...
So now that I have my audio and image all set, I will come up here and click generate video. So you may be wondering, so what does that do? Now, let me show you. I'll play this video.
In the year 1843, a man was born who, during his lifetime, was to have a profound effect on millions of people.
And voila, my image is talking at this point. It's saying the speech that I just created in 11 Lab. I know this is exciting already and you want to see all the video, but just a little patience because we are not done yet. We have a little more to do to make our work 100% ready. Now, what I want to say is that the next thing I want to do right now is not absolutely compulsory. You may not use it, but I think it's going to make my video to look great. So I'm going to be adding this feature to my video because it's going to make my video a bit more interactive. So what am I talking about? I want to have the text of this speech displayed on my screen as video subtitles. I hope you got that. So what I want to do now is to head back to Google and then search for an AI tool called v.io. So I will come in here and type in v subtitle generator. Click this one over here. Once it takes me to this page, I'll come here and click the upload a file. So then I will upload the video file we just downloaded from DID. Here is it. So I'll come over here and click subtitles. I'll click auto generate here. And since my video is in English, I will leave this default English and click create subtitle. I will tick the automatic highlight option here. And once my subtitles are generated, I will come down to this timeline and put my playhead on top of it. And as you can see, my subtitle is displayed in this video as the video plays.
A group of boys came to Dr. Conwell.
So I can move this text to other areas of this video so it doesn't interfere with the name of the motivational speaker. Also, I can come over here and edit this text to even give it more taste. And finally, if you have any video editor, you can just use it to hide this watermark or upgrade your account on Vid if you wish, or you can just leave it the way it is. And once I'm good, I'll go ahead and download this image here where I have done. Then I'll click export video and then click download and then download it as an MP4. So what do you think about it? I think this is absolutely amazing. Okay, so we are 95% done and all that we have left is to go to YouTube and publish our new video. So here at YouTube, I will come in here and click upload video. I will find my new video and I will upload it. Now, while this video is processing, I need to add the important things such as video titles, video description and my tag. So again, I will head back to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Write me a 60-character title for a click-worthy YouTube video about how to change your life. And you can always trust ChatGPT to give you a good job. So I'll copy this title and place it in here on my video. I'll need a good video description for this video. So again, I will come back to ChatGPT with another prompt. Give me a short description for a YouTube video with the title, How to Change Your Life. So again, copy this and come back to YouTube and paste it in here. You can always design a thumbnail for this video in Canva, but I think I'm cool with this as it appears here. So I'll go ahead and publish this video to YouTube. Yes, this is amazing. I just created a complete YouTube channel with videos using 100% AI. And how much did we pay? Absolutely nothing. But of course, you will not make money if you just publish one video and then go to sleep. So all you need to do is to follow the exact step I've used to create this video, and if you keep publishing great videos that people love to see, then you can get your channel monetized in less than 3 months, and you can make between $100 and $10,000 or more every month, just like many other faceless YouTube channels are making out there. How good and fast you will get results will depend on your tenacity, right? So go ahead, start your channel, publish your videos, monetize your channel, and start making good money from YouTube. If you want to see other ways to make money online, then check up on all of these videos on your screen, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.